It starts with a cough. And we tell ourselves, it's just the weather. She's always had a little cough. Days go by. Then weeks. And the cough is still there. What if it's not just a cough anymore? When a child coughs for more than 2 weeks, it's no longer just a cold. If there's wheezing, shortness of breath, night coughing, or chest pain, these are not whispers. They're warnings. Conditions like asthma, pneumonia, or even chronic infections can hide behind what looks like a harmless cough. So what should you do? Keep your home smoke-free. Stay hydrated. Watch for triggers, like dust, pollen, or strong scents. And don't wait too long to speak to a doctor. Early attention saves futures. The sound of a cough may seem small, but the silence around it can be dangerous. This is Whisper to Warning. We help you catch the signs before they scream.